Hi, today I'm making an easy carrot cake. So carrot cake has been the bane of my existence. I've been trying to make a decent carrot cake for years, and either it'll come out too dry or I have oversubscribed in the ingredients, but it just doesn't work out. So I finally found a carrot cake hack that I think might work out well. So I'm going to share that. So I'm starting with a Duncan Hines perfectly moist carrot cake mix. And I'm adding the ingredients as suggested, and I'll get to that. But instead of using walnuts, I'm actually using pecans, and I'm actually going to toast those pecans for about 10 minutes. And so I put those in the oven and just let them bake. In the meantime, I'm starting with my 3 eggs and I've added a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Next, I'm adding a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil to the eggs, and so I'm just blending that well. And while that's all coming together, I'm then going to add my 3/4 cups of water. Now you could substitute this for milk. I just wanted to try water. I'm also adding 8 ounces of crushed pineapple. I've drained the juice from the pineapple. I'm also adding 1 cup of shredded carrots. Now they weren't as fine as I like, so I actually chopped them up into even smaller pieces so I wouldn't have large pieces in the batter. And so once those are done, I've been able to take out my pecans and let them rest. But while that's happening, I'm adding the cake mix to the egg mixture. And so I'm folding that in, and I'm just kind of mixing it all together until all the ingredients are well combined. So then I'm going to prepare my butt cake pan, and I'm using Baker's Joy, and set that aside. And while that's resting, I'm going to go ahead and fold in my carrots and my pineapple to the batter. I'm adding the cooled pecans as well, and then I'm folding this. I'm not over mixing, and it'll be a really, pretty thick batter. And so once it's all combined, I'm going to add this batter to the prepared pan. Now I'm baking this in the bundt pan for about 35 minutes. And then that's important because you don't want to, overcook it. You want it to be just done. So you can do a toothpick test with it, if it comes out clean, it's done. And then once it's cooled, I've turned it over. And I've actually just used some, store-bought cream cheese frosting and microwave that for like 10-15 seconds and added that to the top of the cake. I kept a few roasted pecan pieces to add as garnish for the top of the cake, and it came out really, really well. It was moist, it was flavorful, it was fast, and I think I now have my carrot cake recipe.